Hello students, hope all is well from your sides. After completion of all the properties of determinants and solving few numericals, now let us start our new topic, applications of determinants. Now see, in the applications of determinants, first we will learn how we will find the area of a triangle in determinant form. We have to find the area of a triangle in determinant form. So we know that area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by this one, area of a triangle half, that we know from our previous classes also. Half x1 y2 minus y3 minus x2 y1 minus y3 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and this will be written in this form, equal to half x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 in determinant form. Okay, so to find the area of a triangle, we will write in this way in the determinant form. Okay, now see, since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the above determinant for the area. This thing we have to remember, because we know that area is a positive quantity. So we will always take the absolute value of the above determinant for the area, and we know that if 3 points A, B, C are collinear, then what? Then area of triangle ABC will be equals to how much? 0. So this is how we will find the area of a triangle in determinant form. Another property is condition for collinearity of 3 points. So for the condition of for collinearity of 3 points, let us assume A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 be the 3 given points, and here it is given collinear. So if the point A, B and C are collinear, then area of triangle will be collinear. So area of triangle ABC equals to 0. Now let us write 1 by 2. In determinant form we know how to write x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1, that equals to 0, and let us solve this. So finally it becomes how much? x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 and 1 equals to 0. Now let us solve this. If you will take x1, this will be how much? y2 minus y3 plus x2. If we are taking this x2, then this will be how much? This will leave and this will leave. So y3 minus y1, similarly plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0. So therefore A, B and C are collinear. So this value equals to 0. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0. On the basis of this, in the next class we will solve few numericals related to it. Till then, have a good day.